Hi folks, it's Arvin Talley with Elixir Mortgage Lending. I wanted to speak regarding folks who are maybe thinking about purchasing a home now or in the near future. Most studies have shown that over 90% of folks, the first thing they do is they go on the internet. They go on the internet to all the home sites, start looking at areas, values, prices, what's on the market, before they get folks involved. And it's really neat because a lot of times people are more informed than the professionals when they come to actually look at homes because they've already gotten some repetition. It's fantastic. In the case, once you are getting to a point where you feel you're ready to make a purchase, my suggestion to you would be, first off, look closely at your credit and assess if there's anything that could be paid off. You want to do it because debt to income ratios a lot of times play a role. You also, if you have credit blemishes, maybe want to speak to someone that's in the credit repair world and get them out of the way and cleaned up. That process, you should anticipate anything from 1 to 2 weeks all the way up to maybe 90 days. So it could be somewhat lengthier, so you want to have preparation for it. Make sure you got your credit scores and everything in place when you're ready to finance, because when you finance these loans, they're not permanent, but they are longer term. Then the other part is your down payment. Whatever money that you're thinking of having as down payment, you don't want to be transferring it from one bank account to another bank account. You want to let it sit still in the same bank account, and you want it to make sure that it's seasoned or it's stably in the same place for at least 60 days. That has to be seasoned funds, otherwise we have to do sourcing otherwise, where the funds came from, who it came from through, and it's got more process. And that could also delay the process. Once you have these aspects done, then we can speak, get your documentation in, even do a conditional approval, TBD conditional approval with the stance that we don't know where the property is going to be in the future. We can also just get you pre-qualified with a letter, so that way you can then look and hire a realtor and you're ready to go. And we do have our network of realtors, which we can also recommend if that's what your wishes are in your area in California, and start from there. And once you guys find a home, write an offer, and the offer is accepted, we take over from there and start processing your loan to get you the keys to the home. If you have questions, please feel free to dial me and we'll go from there. Thank you.